Alright, history buffs, strap in, because today I'm diving into 10 of the biggest armies ever assembled. We're talking about sheer numbers, epic battles, and moments when rulers put it all on the line. These armies changed the world, and I'll bet at least a couple of these will surprise you. Let's kick things off at number 10, the Persian Empire under Xerxes Waist. Around 480 BCE, Xerxes led an army that's been estimated, maybe exaggerated but still, at up to 200,000 strong for the invasion of Greece. Imagine the ground shaking as they marched to Thermopylae. Number 9, fast forward to the Maurya Empire. Chandragupta Maurya, ruling ancient India in the 3rd century BCE, reportedly commanded 600,000 soldiers. That's practically a small city on the move. At number 8, we've got Napoleon's Grand Armée. In 1812, for the invasion of Russia, he rallied around 600,000 men from all over Europe. Spoiler alert, numbers don't always guarantee victory. Russian winter had the final say. Lucky number 7, the Ming Dynasty. During the 15th century, the Ming military could call up over 1 million troops to defend China's massive borders from Mongol invasions. Talk about crowd control. Number 6, we're looking at the massive Ottoman armies of Suleiman the Magnificent. In the 16th century, some campaigns saw over 300,000 soldiers marching under his banner. The might of an empire right there. Halfway through at number 5, the Soviet Red Army in World War II. At its peak, this force had more than 11 million soldiers. Their numbers and resilience helped turn the tide against the Nazis on the Eastern Front. Number 4, Nazi Germany's Wehrmacht, 1943. At the height of World War II, their armed forces hit around 10 million personnel. It's a chilling reminder of the scale of global conflict. Cracking the top 3, the United States Armed Forces during World War II. By 1945, the US had mobilized over 12 million personnel, soldiers, sailors, airmen, fighting across Europe, the Pacific, and beyond. Runner-up at number 2, the People's Liberation Army of China, modern day. With about 2 million active soldiers and tens of millions more in reserves, it's easily one of the largest standing armies on the planet. And finally, number 1, the Grand Army of the Soviet Union during World War II. With a total mobilization of up to 34 million people over the course of the war, this was the biggest military force humanity has ever seen. Just let that number sink in. So there you have it, 10 of the largest armies ever to march across history. Their stories are a reminder. Behind every number are real people, real ambitions, and incredible tales. Which army shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm always up for a good history debate. Until next time, keep digging into the past.